your clipboard can follow you from one device to another. In this video, we will explain how to use Windows Clipboard sync across devices. This feature lets you copy something on one computer and paste it on another, or even on your phone, seamlessly. To set it up, open Settings, go to System, then Clipboard. Turn on Clipboard History, which lets you store multiple copied items. Then turn on the option to sync across your devices. You will need to be signed in with the same Microsoft account on each device for this to work. You can choose to sync automatically, copying everything, or to sync only items you select for more privacy. Once enabled, anything you copy on one device becomes available to paste on your others. Just press Windows key plus V to open your clipboard history and pick what you want. This is incredibly useful when working across multiple computers, letting you move text, links, and images effortlessly between them. It also works with the companion phone app on your mobile device. Clipboard Sync removes the hassle of emailing yourself snippets. Set it up once, and your copied content travels with you wherever you work.